Hey everybody, it's Silver Seeker, and today we have a silver unboxing. Today we're taking a look at the 2020 United States Mint limited edition proof set. Now as you do this unboxing, you're not going to hear the environment sounds like of me cutting it open because I did not realize that my microphone was not on when I recorded this. So I am doing a voiceover, but we're gonna go ahead and cut this package open on both sides and open it up. Inside you see there is a green packing material and my invoice directly under the packing material. So we will get this thing off in silence, get the packing or get the slip out of the way. And then under it, we have two of the 2020 limited edition silver proof sets. Now these are actually got a mintage limit of 50,000. That's the most I'll make of them ever. And I ordered two of them, one for me and a friend said he wanted one, so I ordered one for him. So we each got one, and they were, I think, $200 or $201 a piece, but they are really, really beautiful, and we're going to go ahead and take a look inside of the box and see what we have. So as you can see, the slip cover comes off. Under it, it says United States Mint limited edition silver proof set. Slide the box off, and there's the set under there. So you got like the cardboard box, and then you have like this nice leathery feeling box that flips open. Of course, inside of it, we have the certificate of authenticity, which goes up there inside of that little ribbon. And then let's take a look at the set. So you can see we got the 5 99.9% silver proof quarters. We have this 99.9% half dollar, the silver eagle, and of course the 2020S silver dime. Now we've recently seen the quarters in a previous video because I got a bunch of these loose that I bought in rolls, and we went through them and sorted them. They had 20s and 19s, which was really cool. But we'll go ahead and take a look at a couple of them really quick, just get them up close to the camera. And first thing we have is the half dollar. Now, if you notice, the thing sits inside the box, but you can't actually flip it over. So to the seat or the reverse of the coins, you have to pull each one out individually. But they do come out very easily. They're not stuck in there like some of your modern commemoratives where you have to pull the ribbon really hard. But, you know, we got the Marsh Billings silver quarter right there. And we just looked at the Kennedy half dollar. Very, very gorgeous. Here's the 99% silver dime. This is something we actually didn't get a bunch of in that buy the other day. So we'll put that back. And then finally, you have the 2020S Silver Eagle. Now, when I was recording this, I noted that if you look at this is very unfortunate. If you look to the left of the bottom, the second from the bottom left star, that is actually, it looks like there was something on the die that hit the coin, or that was on the die when the coin was pressed. And that is actually, that scuffing is actually on the coin. It's not on the capsule. It is actually on the coin. So that is unfortunate. And when I was recording this, I'm like, man, this really stinks because, of course, I have to give one of these to a friend. So who do I give the one with the scuff to? Do we flip a coin? Do we call the US Mint and be like, hey, this one's damaged, and have them replace it? I think what's going to happen is we're going to go ahead and call the US Mint and have them replace it. I was actually off camera thinking about what I'm going to do about that. I'm showing it to you again because, again, I'm like, look at that. That is actually on the coin. It's not on the capsule. That's very unfortunate. But it is what it is. We got it. We'll probably call the US Mint, see if they'll replace that one. I did look at the other set after this video was done being recorded, and it was absolutely gorgeous. So, unfortunately, it's just this one that's the problem, but that's all right. It is still such a beautiful, beautiful set. So that is what I have for you today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video. I apologize about the weird voiceover rather than me talking while I'm looking at them. That was just because, again, I did not realize the microphone was off. All right, have a great day. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I did leave a video above you can check out if you haven't seen it yet. I also want to give a huge shout out and a huge thank you to my awesome channel supporters scrolling right there on the right hand of the screen. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.